To be honest, a lot of people are doing YouTube the wrong way, but they do not even know that they are even doing that YouTube the wrong way. Yes, that's just the honest truth. Why do a lot of people just think that, oh, they have not blown on YouTube because YouTube algorithm is forgetting them? A lot of people will think that, oh, YouTube algorithm is not favorable to them. A lot of people will think that YouTube algorithm just hates them. It is because you're doing YouTube the wrong way. Seriously. I've seen a lot of channels. I've reviewed a lot of channels. I've coached over 400 students. Yes, and I'm very proud of that. And I found out that 99% of people are doing YouTube the wrong way. One, they do not understand the analytics. They do not understand the algorithm. They do not understand every single thing that comes with YouTube. See, YouTube is hard work. That is one thing you need to know. And in as much as you're putting in the hard work, be sure that you are on the right track. A lot of persons are doing YouTube the way they are not supposed to do it. And if you give them time, up to 10 years, 5 years, 6 years on YouTube, they will still be in the same position without going nowhere. See, there is no social media platform that you are doing the wrong way that you're going to be achieving results. It is not. If you're doing Facebook the wrong way, you will not achieve results. If you're doing YouTube the wrong way, you will not achieve results. If you're doing TikTok the wrong way, you will not achieve results. If you're doing Instagram the wrong way, there is no social media platform, I keep telling you, that you are doing the wrong way that you will achieve results. And a lot of new YouTubers and even people that have stayed on YouTube for the past 3 years, 4 years are still making the same mistake over and over again, trying to see that they are navigating, but they are not navigating. And at the end of the day, they get tired, they get frustrated, and then they will quit. In today's video, I am here for us to talk one-on-one. I am here for us to see reasons why your channel is not even going to the direction that it's supposed to go to. If you stayed on YouTube for 1 year, if you stayed on YouTube for 2 years, if you stayed on YouTube for 3 years, and you're not making anything out of YouTube, it is your fault. It is your fault in the sense that there are people that just started YouTube 1 week and they are monetized. There are people that started YouTube 1 month and they are monetized. There are people that started YouTube just 1 year ago and they are monetized. And if you are monetized and you're not even cashing out that money into your account, you are still doing it the wrong way. Because tell me, for crying out loud, why I should be monetized for the past 2 years, the past 3 years, and I've not been able to get $100 threshold. That is because you are doing YouTube the wrong way. And if you don't want to do it the wrong way, that is why you need to go and seek for counseling. You need to come for reviews. You need us to see what you are doing personally. You understand what I'm trying to say? Now, one of the mistakes a lot of people make is doing one particular thing over and over again. That thing is not bringing results. You still keep doing it. You've been doing this particular thing consistently for the past 4 years, for the past 1 year, for the past 2 years on YouTube. But you're scared of changing niche. You are scared. You are so scared. Can I even do it? If I change this niche, won't it affect? How will I even start from? Where will I even pick up from? If I have continued doing my niche, this niche I started on this channel for the past 4 years, I will not be sharing this testimony that I've been sharing with you. I will not be at this range of these subscribers that I am. If it is not working, it's not working. Nobody should deceive you and tell you that stay on that niche until you make it. There are some niche you will never make it. Especially if you do not know how to do that niche perfectly. Especially if your competitors on that niche are people that are top notch. You will stay on that niche until the point that you will get frustrated and you will quit. And those your favorite content creators that will keep telling you, oh, stay on that niche, do not change niche, keep doing it. They will still be making their money. If a niche is not working for you as a content creator, please look for workable niche. Test run other niches that will work for you. Look out for niches that is actually working for people and know how to navigate. The mistake a lot of you is doing is you think that you are an I man on your own. I'm the only one that can actually bring this content. I'm the only one that will produce this particular thing. You are not. If you check Vibe with Sonia how to get 1,000 subscribers, a lot of people has produced the same content. A lot of people have still gotten that result. A lot of new content creators are still coming up to produce that same content. So why do you think that any niche that you are holding on to is the permanent niche? People are in that niche doing it very well. So, and that is one of the number one thing that is actually killing your channel. It is killing your channel massively because you are not doing it the right way, because you are doing YouTube the wrong way. The second reason why you are failing on YouTube is you do not even understand what the YouTube algorithm is talking about. A lot of people don't even know how YouTube algorithm goes. A lot of people don't even know what YouTube algorithm is. All they just know is, I don't film video, I don't put time there, YouTube should come and push out my content. The YouTube algorithm will not just come and push out your content if you do not know how to navigate the YouTube algorithm. You must know how to beat the YouTube algorithm. You must know what is working for the algorithm. You must know what people are actually looking out for. And the moment you know this and you're putting them out, making sure that every single thing is top-notch, there is no way you're not going to be getting your desired result on YouTube. A lot have not gotten their desired result on YouTube till date because they don't even know what the analytics is even talking about. They don't even know what is trending. So you are doing it the wrong way. You have to know how to navigate. You have to know what the algorithm is talking about, how to beat the algorithm, before you can be able to make whatsoever you want to make here. Check a lot of people that are making something out of YouTube. It is because they understood what the YouTube algorithm is talking about. I don't believe in that quotation of, oh, YouTube is not for me. YouTube is for you. I don't believe in that thing, oh, I want to take it slow and steady. Slow and steady till when? When do you want to take it slow and steady? Do you want to take it slow and steady for 20 years, 10 years? Why people here are just coming on YouTube because they understand how the algorithm works. Just within a month, just within 2 months, they are monetized. They started making money. They started cashing out every single month. When I saw one of my particular lady, which is the person I actually coached, and she told me that, sis, I actually changed niche because I found that my own niche is actually not working for me. And after I changed that niche, I was happy that niche has actually been producing money. I was so happy for her because I also discussed it with her in the class. I said, if it is not working, move. These are workable niche. You understand what I'm trying to say? So you need to understand the algorithm. Now, the third thing why a lot of people are failing on YouTube is they feel like every single creator here owe them something. Nobody owes you anything. Even as I'm talking to you, you do not owe me. You do not owe me to come and view my content. The only thing that can make people view my content is when I have that value that I'm bringing to the table. So do not be entitled. I see people coming to my DMs that will tell me that, sis, I subscribe, but I even used to watch these people's video, but they're not watching my videos. I will not watch again. Nobody owe you any views. The only thing that owes you views is the YouTube algorithm. And that is when you understand the YouTube algorithm and you're able to beat the YouTube algorithm. That is when the YouTube algorithm can now say, okay, I owe you. Now let me come and start paying you what I owe you. Now, once you have all of these things in place, there is no way your videos are definitely not going to go viral. There is no way people are not going to watch. There is no way people are not going to subscribe. Stop being entitled. Stop being entitled to, I watch you, come and watch me. Stop being entitled. Your own is know what you are doing here. Am I doing the right thing? Yes, I'm doing the right thing. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep navigating. Keep knowing the things that work. Keep looking out for your competitors. Go for mentorship. Understand what the algorithm is talking about. Understand how your YouTube settings should be, how the studio settings should be. Understand how you can be able to put some of those settings in place that YouTube can actually recommend your content. It might not be happening immediately, but definitely it will happen. Understand the YouTube SEO, how to use the YouTube SEO, the search engine optimization, to put your videos out there. Understand that this thing you are coming to do, it is not a child's play. It is hard work and you must invest your time. Because one of the ways a lot of people are doing it the wrong way is because they do not want to invest their time into YouTube. Their own is, I just started 1 month ago, I need to blow. Put videos, I don't have time. You need to have time. The algorithm needs you to have time. YouTube needs you to have time. And trust me, you are definitely not going to regret it. So you need to learn how to do YouTube the right way if you actually want to achieve your aim here on YouTube. And I hope this video is able to help anybody that is watching this particular video out there. If you're still finding difficulties with your channel, you don't even know what to do, how to do it. This is whereby we personally come into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. Where me and you personally go into your channel. That's what I do mostly on one-on-one. And all you need to do is to check this mail that is displaying here from the beginning to the end of my video, 3195@gmail.com. Check my flyer that I'm displaying here as well. And check which particular coaching section should I even engage, depending on the stage where your YouTube is, so that we can be able to help you navigate YouTube, make you understand YouTube, and then you can start cashing out on YouTube. You understand? Like I said, check this mail, 3195@gmail.com. Stop doing YouTube the wrong way, and trust me, you will definitely not regret it. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.